So this morning we're taking a closer look at a statement that makes an interesting claim. It says, men marry the woman who is around when they're ready to commit, not necessarily the woman they truly want to be with. Is who make that statement?
Who is they?
I don't know who made that statement. Anyway.
The producer gave us that one.
Do we get married when we find the right person, or do we get married to whoever's around when we decide we're finally ready? And is one of those options better than the other? Reddit users, user Moppetus Maximus says, when I first got married, a bunch of older people asked me if I was ready. They were disappointed in my answer because to them it meant I wasn't ready. However, my answer was, marriage honestly isn't some gigantic thing. Do you love your partner? If yes, then you're good. Can you have a picture life without your partner? If not, then you're good. When you get married, you don't wake up the next morning a different person. You don't feel different. You don't act different. You still have the same job, bills, and responsibilities. You feel the same about your now wife that you did the day before. He said the people thought he wasn't taking marriage seriously because neither himself nor his wife felt it was a huge deal. He says the people who feel nervous or scared are the ones who aren't ready for marriage. If your partner is so ingrained in your life that the only difference in the relationship after you get married is a signed piece of paper, then yes, you are ready for marriage.
The only difference is a signed paper? No, man. You sign a contract.
Yeah.
It's very different. Things change because the operation is a little different as far as I'm concerned. When you enter a partnership, a business relationship, that partnership for life, there are things that are different.
I'm going to say this. Different men think differently. Because there are men who, when they're ready to get married, I mean, I knew someone, he said he's going to get married at age, say 30. If I give the age, I'm going to know he's in me talking. He says, I'm going to get married at age 30. I say, but you've been with this girl for 8 years. What happens if you and she break up when you're 29? And him said, I'll get married at 30. I thought he was joking until he and the girl broke up. And then he met somebody for a year.
And that was
and he got married at 30.
Wow.
So it kind of gave me pause to think that, listen, when men make up their mind, for whatever reason, that marriage is what I want, them make up their mind. Ladies, until them reach that space,
they can't force him.
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
Because even if you drag him down the aisle,
he's going to be
miserable. Head, he's not ready. It's going to be a problem. It's going to be a problem.
Hold on, Daly, you're speaking like you know.
I'm a whole heap of brethren, man.
Oh, okay.
I'm a whole heap of brethren.
I was just about to say, is there something you're not telling us, like you're getting married next week?
No, I'm not dragging nobody down the aisle.
Not dragging nobody down the aisle. No, but seriously.
I've enough brethren to have realized that it's a problem.
Yeah.
And if you drag them, and them is, all right, and you say, oh, yeah, get married. In one case, I won't say, I don't know, oh.
Tell me
when his wife,
oh Lord,
you know what? They're no longer together, but that don't mean I want to cause problems.
Okay.
I'll just say throughout the whole process, his response was, "Has she planning wedding?"
Yeah.
Has she?
He had no interest.
Not even the suit anywhere.
Oh God.
He said, "Has she buy a suit? Has she planning wedding?" And I said, "What? So why are you getting married?" No, she said we have married. She said we have married. So, you know, they got married, but throughout the whole time she was saying, "Oh, he's cheating." Oh, and I said, "Yeah, because
he's not mentally ready.
He wasn't ready though to make that kind of commitment."
And to be honest, we all know we have girlfriends who are like, you know, with their partners for like 10 years, waiting on him to say, I want to marry you. My thing is, at what point as a girl, as a woman, do you stop and say, you really want this? You've given him 4 years of everything, and he still isn't committing. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. At what time do you now go look for the man who's ready to do it? You understand? That's something that we need to consider. If you're not ready.
Sit down there and wait for it. Well, it's up to you. If you're okay with waiting. But so everybody must know them limits.
Right.
Because you're supposed to know, say, after 3 years, this man here, now, you're going to sit down with him for 10 years, and then him gone, you go wait the next 10 with somebody else.
But you know what must burn you? When you're with somebody for 10 years, you break up, and then you turn on Instagram and see him. I'll hook up and I get married. Yeah. And that's all you wanted. It must burn your heart.
Though. But that's the point, because you can be there for 10 years waiting.
And he's not ready.
And you're just not who he wants to marry.
Or he just wasn't ready.
Or he just wasn't ready. And we have the problem with, first of all, if I'm with you for 10 years and then we break up, if you're married tomorrow, I don't care. That's the next problem we have. We break up and we on Facebook and Instagram, and we say, you're comparing yourself with who him have now. Oh gosh, watch him having fun.
Go have yours.
Make it go on, because sometimes you're putting everything on you, and then you start look at them and say, so why you marry she? Or what about me when you never want married? Sometimes that's not even it. She could have look worse than you. Can't cook. No, I'm not ambition. Can't conquer us.
But he was ready for a wife.
That's what he wants, and that's fine. That's fine. But you have to have, every Tuesday, I say to women, you have to have the discussion. Well, you have to have the discussion. You have to say, brother, honey, it's been 3 years.
Yeah, but
where are we going with
the
this?
thing is,
and if he can't say to you,
we're doing this here, then,
I'm not ready. So do you have any idea when you're going to be ready? No, him don't know when you're not ready. If him don't know when you're not ready, what about your business? What about your business? Choo-choo.
Or you can call the doctresses. I put black magic on my husband. He's never ready for marry me, but we put some black African spiritual thing on him.
I cannot.
And that's why he ended up marrying me. I don't think he was ready. Honey, I know you're watching. I got you. No, joke. No, you know I'm gonna go home and bear trouble today. You know what?
No. You know why I laugh? Because there's some women out there who do not understand that Empress is joking. They don't understand that Empress is joking.
If you want to know, call 1-800.
Over. Them gone dig up something. Ladies, I want to say.
Taylor, how do you know I'm joking?
If you have, not me know you're joking. If you have to resort to anything, leave him alone. Leave him alone and go on. Leave him alone and leave early too. Because you're going to stay there and then you're going to get resentful. Because you're going to say, Lord, no, nobody no want me. Because look how long me sit down there. Leave it alone. When the man is ready, he's just ready.
All right, Delia.
Someone say married to him. And when he married, he will get ready. No.
No, he has to be ready.
No, I'm not ready. Make him go on. Look at our nice colleague in here.
Which one?
No, me not.
Who are you talking about? But then I want to call a name. What about our colleague on that camera right there?
Not married.
Him not married. What about this one over here?
30-odd years of marriage.
And we need to hear from him. I don't know about us here sitting and talking about what men want. I will read something from the internet. But I think it's important that one of our colleagues here comes right now, speaks into my mic next to me, and tell the people, what do men want? Nita, come in.
Sheffield will marry if I know him pay for the wedding.
All right.
If Sheffield not pay for it, we're going to go to a break.
Why are you calling his name?
No, because them don't say mean. And the first time we say it on TV, if Sheffield not paying for the wedding, him we're married.
You don't have it. But that's why we need to go back to when you bring the cow. You don't have a cow from country or something.
Don't follow Sheffield. Him not pay for nothing.
Really? These are the kinds of men we have. They're not paying for anything?
Chad is on his way down the aisle.
What am I call Nita? Chad. Chad, you getting married? Really? You found a lady? Congrats. Yes. Are you ready? You see, I'm not. You're ready. He's more than ready.
He's ready. Chad is ready. Chad is ready. We said we're going a long time.
Yeah, that's it for our Tuesday Staple Girl Talk, my people.
I just kind of want fast in the people business. Well, I never got to take the break.
Take the break.
We said bye a long time ago.